In this video, we will look at the different functions in the settings menu. So if you access your settings, which is to the left of your name here, you will first access the account overview. In the account overview, you have your account information. And if you fill this out, this will be what is on anything that you send out from your Addo account. Also, you can find our general terms and conditions here, and you can set the GDPR compliance for your account down here. This is basically just about how much anonymization you want on the data in your account 10 days after the transaction has expired. You can also add a credit card, and you can see how many credits you've used and find your purchase history in this section. In the next tab here, you have the users, and these are the users that are added to this account. You can look at their different roles. If you scroll down further, you will also see the groups that is added to this account. You're also able to add new users and add the users to the different groups, and also add new groups from this tab here. In this next section, you find the address book. From here, you can find if you have saved any contacts to your address book. You can either do that by adding a contact or importing contacts. You can also, when you send out a document for signing, you will have the function to save contact in the address book. There's a little box you can tick off, and they will be added in here. So this is really a nice function for frequent contacts. In the integrations tab, you can either add different integrations, or you can see which integrations that are active on your account, and also which ones you want to set as default. In this tab, you're able to set up different webhooks. If you want to extract or save data from an external website, you can do that in here. Under the tab template, you will find the different templates that are added to your account, or if you have made any yourselves. You can both have templates for signing. You can have for secure file transfer and for forms. And you can have an overview by clicking the different ones up here to see which ones have been made. You are also able to see the different templates in the different groups to your account. So if you have added more groups, there can be different templates in the different groups. Also, you can add or create new templates in the bottom for each of the three down here. Under forms, you're able to create a new form, which can be saved to your account. You do that by clicking down here. Once again, you can have different forms for the different groups in your account. The security section is about the level of security you require from your users on the account, like how secure does their password have to be. If it's standard, it has to be minimum 8 characters and cannot have the same character 3 times in a row. If you put high, there are more requirements. So this all comes down to how much security you want set up for your account and the users on your account. So the design section, you're able to upload your company logo. This makes you more recognizable to the people that you're sending out documents to. You can also add the company color. So this is the color that comes closest to your logo, perhaps. Any color that makes you recognizable for people that are associated with your company. Under validation, you're able to upload either a document or a PID number to check for Danish NEM ID. This can be either the private or the NEM ID employee, and also the Norwegian bank ID. What this does is check whether or not a document is signed properly with either NEM ID or Norwegian bank ID. Also, it has been tampered with or corrupted in any way. So this is another way to make sure everything is in order. From the Azure AD configurations tab, you can integrate Azure if you're a user in Azure. That way you'll be able to log into Addo using Azure AD. This is a tab you'll find when you log into Addo. If you are on a main account, you will have a fan which is called sub-accounts. From here you can access your different sub-accounts if you have any with your account. This account that I'm on right now has one sub-account, which is the Visma Addo demo. And if I click this one, I'm able to also log into my sub-account. So that will be all for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to send out your first document for signing.